What is your marketplace and what does it do? Backmarket is the premier e-commerce platform, exclusively focused on selling refurbished tech globally. We connect professional refurbishers with millions of customers, creating global demand for high-quality, renewed devices. What are the benefits of selling on your marketplace? Selling on Backmarket gives you access to over 15 million customers across 17 countries that are excited and want to buy refurbished. A fair buy box algorithm that rewards the highest quality sellers with more visibility and higher margins. Additionally, Backmarket has a fast cash conversion with payouts every Wednesday, promotions and bulk sale opportunities during peak periods like the holidays, and dedicated account management teams to help you scale your business. Who is your marketplace good for? Backmarket is built for professional refurbishers, distributors, and businesses looking to scale their refurbished tech sales. With a comprehensive catalog spanning 300+ categories, we help sellers connect with millions of first-time buyers and loyal customers worldwide. Can I sell internationally through your marketplace? Yeah! Backmarket offers global expansion opportunities in 17 countries, including Europe and Asia. Sellers benefit from expert support for international expansion, localized customer care to handle cross-border transactions seamlessly, opportunities for bulk sales, and larger enterprise partnerships. How can I start selling on your marketplace? Getting started is extremely easy. All you have to do is apply online and go through our quality vetting process. Meet our high standards to ensure the best experience for customers. Leverage Backmarket's tools and insights to optimize your business from day one. Join 1,800+ professional sellers scaling their business with Backmarket.